World Capital Market is a global merchant banking advisory firm that assists clients and portfolio companies to meet corporate, financial, and Wall Street objectives. WCM has a presence in New York, Los Angeles, San Francisco, Tokyo, Beijing, Shenzhen, and Dubai. World Capital Market is managed by a team of experts with experience and education in many key fields, including strategy, corporate finance, cross-border business, transaction structure, business law, and accounting. Structured as a finance and strategy advisory firm, WCM focuses on high-growth opportunities and businesses in the U.S., Asia, and Europe. The team has completed over $10 billion in transactions. Special areas of expertise include venture capital, private equity, strategy, financial advisory, social media and entertainment, cross-border business finance, joint ventures, and strategic partnerships. World Capital Market is incubating the third internet revolution. Our value, our prosperity perpetuates in faith, integrity, and diligence.